you guys should take seriously is spending time on LinkedIn, not creating posts. That is one side, but connecting to right people is going to help you a lot. Try to connect with at least 50 recruiters and 50 CEOs if any of you guys are focusing on joining any startups, because startups CEOs, they recruit themselves, and hardcore recruiters, they recruit for multiple companies. And there is a very strong reason behind this. I have a lot of recruiters in touch with me. Timely, they keep on reaching out to me whenever some relevant job comes in. They usually call me directly, and that this doesn't happen on a single connect. They should be in touch with us. They should know us. This is long-term stuff. So I think you guys should get started somewhere, and I feel like it's the right time when we are on it. Does it make sense?
Yes.
And if you guys think otherwise, please question me. Like how is it going to help? I'll be happy to give you more details.
Suresh, I think I need a little more help on this. So basically, I will not be looking forward for a startup. So how do you align this point for me? Whom should I get connected?
So that's why I mentioned 2 points right here. At least 50 recruiters. Recruiters are the people who work for some recruited firm, or they freelance with multiple companies and they recruit people. So then you should get connected to them.
Okay.
So you just have to select. See this? I just have to type recruiters. She's recruiting at so and so, experienced hire recruiters. So you get a lot of people. Don't blindly add people because it will just mess up the whole algorithm. You might miss out a lot of good posts where it is relevant for you. So you see this? Talent acquisition specialist hiring top talent from around the world. And you might also consider adding recruiters, whoever is connected with you. You see, Sarika is talent acquisition, and me and she has surprisingly 56 connection, and we are not connected. Okay. So you see this? It's as easy as this. Just finding the right recruiters. Check their profile also, because recruiting. Actually, it works. Recruiting product managers for Google. You see that? So you can just easily find people and go to their profiles. First of all, when you click on that, they get a notification if they are on a premium. So she already got a notification because she is a premium LinkedIn user. And if she thinks my profile is relevant, she will directly reach out to me. That's how the whole LinkedIn network works.
Got it. So this part I've already started. So I usually get connected to the recruiters of the health tech firms. So that's where I want to align myself. I have been working in that. So this is what I have started already.
Oh, that's awesome. Nice. And others, whoever did not start yet, thinking that how is it going to help? Please do get started. It's not just on LinkedIn. Create your profiles on all the professional platforms. Like angel.co, just go update your information there. Because when people look at your profile, and most of the recruiters actually, like including me, I go look at their real profiles, mostly LinkedIn, because expecting that to be updated till date. So when it doesn't have enough information, usually I tend to ask for more information. If I'm not convinced, or depending on the mood and time, I will just roll over if I have more people to concentrate on. So it's better to update all the information there. So next week, I think 1 week is good enough time. Can you guys try doing this? Like meaningful connects, not like just adding 50 people.
Definitely.
Yeah, it can do wonders, by the way, because you see this, our company, whenever we have any requirements, see this, we keep posting things like that. If you're connected to, she's our head HR, and she's telling it, and she's tagging us also. So my connects also will get to know. You'll be missing out on all this rich info, because we might not be as famous as other companies where our careers page is having a lot of traction, but this one really does. That's where we are getting a lot of applications. from.
Sure, yeah, makes sense.
Yes, so that is closed.
So I might be asking a very silly question to you now.
Please tell me.
While doing that, how can I stop my current company recruiters from seeing me? Do you know a setting out there? I tried to, Google a lot. I didn't get.
No, there is a setting. There is a setting. When you go to profile itself, this open to. See this? And there, I think there is a setting. See, I'm still on open to work, by the way.
Yeah, I do not want to put that out as of now.
No, it won't be visible for people, by the way.
Okay.
So when you click on details, see, only recruiters can see that I'm open. But you can also edit this and remote work, part-time, recruiters only. Who can see this? See this? All LinkedIn members, recruiters only. So there are some settings which you do, and they don't show all of this. And even if they do, very frankly, nobody cares. Nobody is going to come and check your LinkedIn profile if they're not really interested in you personally, and that won't really hamper. See, even after joining the company, this is always like this for me, because I don't really care, because I want to make connections with people, whoever needs me. So I keep on creating these connections, and I'm still open. If some other company is going to reach out to me for a real crazy role, why would I lose out on that opportunity?
Okay.
Yeah. So please don't think that this is going to act negative in any way. Confidently, I can tell, because I've been doing this for quite some time. It can go all the way.